And the summer months have started, and what's more fitting than a progression event from Rollercoin called Palm Paradise? Today on That Techo Guy, I'll be showing you the maximum power that you can achieve in this event, which is currently going on, and it's going on until the 1st of July. Stay tuned. Okay, so Rollercoin are at it again with a new progression event called Palm Paradise, and this is perfect for those summer months. In the game here we can see the Palm Paradise progression event here at the top. So the first thing that I wanted to show you all is more details, and the base points are what they typically would be in every other progression event. So to get to a higher difficulty level in a game, it's 500 points. Spend 1 RLT anywhere except the marketplace, it's 1000 points. And spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, you get 400 points, okay? Now, the maximum and the most powerful miner that you can get during this progression event is called Crypto Coconut at a whopping 792 terahash per second of power, which is pretty good indeed. Now, at the moment, there are roughly 5 days remaining, okay? So I am currently filming this on Monday the 26th of June. So this video will probably be out tomorrow now. And that is gonna give you practically until the end of the week. So this event, Palm Paradise, will end on the 1st of July, which is this coming Saturday. So make sure to get playing and rolling, and also checking out my other videos for you to find out how you can get through these progression events much faster as well, and how to play the games faster as well, and how you can actually also use the multipliers in the most effective way. Now, what I also wanted to discuss for this progression event is the amount of power in total that you can actually acquire from the event. Okay, so Rollercoin have an awesome Discord channel as well, so be sure to check it out. And every time there is a new progression event on the general chat, you'll find some of the moderators there and even other content creators that actually put out this information for you to see as well. But I'm here also to give you a run through of what there is. So obviously they always try to stick to the theme. So the miners being offered in this case would be more of a summer tropical palmy theme, you know, Palm Paradise. So here we've got like the Chase Lounge, and you've got like Token Surfboard and things like that. You've got Jungle King, Dancing Queen, which are the little parrots and the little birds there. Okay, now something that I wanted to explain to you all before I actually run through how much power this is going to give you is that it doesn't mean that you see a miner that doesn't have a lot of power, that it's not going to be worth much at all, because it is important to calculate as well the bonus. So if you don't actually have the miner, so for example, I don't have the Token Surfboard one, okay? So, okay, it's 35,000 gigahash, which is equivalent to 35 terahash, which isn't all that much power, but it also offers a 0.25% bonus. So since I don't have that miner, then I will be getting a 0.25% bonus with my overall network power. So if I just go back quickly to my room here and I go to the home page, you can see that I currently have a bonus of 55.95%. So if I was talking about the token surfboard there, that's 0.25. So add that 0.25 to the 55.95 and you've got a bit more power there overall, okay? So that bonus power is being added always with the total. So here I've got, for example, 7 petahash in just bonus power. So that bonus power does really add up. So do take note of the bonus power, and don't say because look, it doesn't have a lot of power and I've already got one of these. Even if you do have one of those token surfboards, for example, you can actually merge that and even get more bonus power plus more mining power as well. So make sure to do your best to really accumulate with all the rewards that are being offered with each progression event that there is. Now, I am currently up to level 8 and I'm currently working on the Fury Rack 6 I have not used any multipliers. I have not been playing the game 24/7. I have only been playing the game like 30 minutes, maybe up to an hour a day maximum. So I'm just doing the 50 games pretty much a day that I need to do for the daily quests, and that's all I'm doing. Nothing special. I'm already up to level 8. I do open some loot boxes. That gives you a big boost as well. So you just get 5,000 points as soon as you open those loot boxes. And I'll actually do that right now as well. And as soon as I do that, I'm going to boost that up 5,000 more. So it's currently at 9,300. So I'm going to be at 14,300 right there. So I would have almost acquired that Fury Rack 6. Okay, so that is awesome as well, and you can actually achieve those faster that way as well. But check out my other videos on how to use multipliers and how to play games faster for you to be able to achieve these rewards faster. Now, without further ado, I'm going to go to the chart here. I'm not going to bore you to death with all the calculations, but what I've done is, like I've done in other videos of Rollercoin where I explain these progression events, I have extracted just the miners and I have calculated each and every one of them, and this entire event will give you no less than 2.1 petahash per second if you achieve all of those rewards and all of the miners. Okay, I mean the crypto coconut 792 terahash on its own, and it gives you a 2.5% bonus to your overall network power. Now, simply amazing if you can actually get there. Okay, so it's very important that you actually do try and play as much as you can in order to gain as much points and power that you can. Okay, so the more you play, obviously the more you're going to get points, but not just playing, also doing the task. So like I said, I don't think I've done the loot box one at the moment. Okay, also remember that you're also doing the event tasks when you're doing this, the event quests here. So I've done this, I can collect, and this I can collect. But here, I don't think, let's see if I've done the loot box. Open RLT case, okay? I haven't done it yet, so I'm just going to do that right now with you guys. Buy that loot box. Good luck. Oh yeah, it's purple. 10 RLT, there we go. So I spent 5 and I earned 5, okay? So pretty much 5 profit right there. Pretty good, and that gained me 5,000 points. Okay, sometimes the notifications here do delay a bit. Okay, so the notifications for the points that you get, but refresh the page. Look at that 9,000 at the top. So I'm just going to refresh the page. And there we go, 14,304. So don't worry about the notifications if they don't come straight away that you've got 5,000 points that you have been awarded. Obviously, if I had a small multiplier, I would have gotten even closer to getting that rack. And 18,400 points is not a little, but you can actually achieve them easier this way as well. I was lucky here to have received an extra 5 RLT by opening that case as well, but I spent 5 to make that 10, so I actually made a profit of 5. Okay, so that's great, it worked out. If it didn't work out, but you still got the points. I suggest that you just open these cases, obviously, when there are these type of progression events, because you're actually getting something in return and not nothing if you actually lose out on the loot box. Okay, so basically, that is the list of rewards. Some pretty nice miners there. Mr. Wilson, you've got 2 of those there as well. You've got a couple of Dancing Queens there. Chillin' Miner as well. Awesome. There is actually a rack bonus there of 7% as well. The racks are important as well for some of the most powerful miners that you have. You can put those on those racks and actually gain even more power. So that's pretty good, and it's going to help you out as well. There's also an uncommon token surfboard further down. Okay, so if you don't have 2 of the normal token surfboards, okay, and you can actually obtain them up to level 18, so you can actually technically get to level 11 and level 18, get 2 token surfboards and just merge them, and that will be the uncommon one, which might be a bit harder to acquire because it's at level 23. So you could actually try and merge them that way as well and get them anyway. So that would give you from a 0.25% bonus to a 0.26% bonus. But the mining power will increase from 35 and 35, which is 70 for 2, up to 91, okay, when you merge them. So you're going to gain like 21 terahash, almost 22 terahash in power when you're actually merging those as well. So just look out for these things, little tips and tricks, okay, of how you can actually gain those rewards as well and merge them, not merge them. Okay, merging is one of the tasks, and when you actually do merge, you're actually spending a little bit of RLT not in the marketplace, so you're actually going to be making a bit more points up there as well and helping you to achieve these rewards as well. Okay, so that is pretty much what I wanted to discuss and show you today in this another progression event. Now this progression event, like I said, is going to last until Saturday the 1st of July. I think there should be more progression events, but I don't know yet. But the way Rollercoin are doing things is that they're currently releasing progression events every week. So every week is something to keep you enticed and keeps you looking forward to playing the game even more and gaining even more power. Now, if we just go quickly here to the event pass, we can see that there are 14 days remaining. So I'm assuming there are going to be another 2 progression events for this Season 8 Metal Mayhem season, and then after these 14 days have passed today, so in another 2 weeks we are going to start another season 9. Okay, I think the Rollercoin team did give some hints about traveling around the world or something like that. I don't know the details yet, and obviously if I did, I couldn't tell you just yet, but it will come soon, and I'm sure it's going to be awesome as well. So be sure to stay tuned on my channel as well for the latest info on that, and for me to explain the progression and how things are working out for me and what I'm doing to hopefully help you achieve more rewards as well with the seasons and the progression events. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.